Today we are in the beautiful community of Linwood at this fantastic property. This property has been meticulously cared for and extensively renovated. You're gonna love it with over 5,000 square feet of lot space. You gotta check this one out. We're at 215 Linview Crescent Southeast. Welcome home. You'll love this kitchen and dining room space. We've got a large open area for the dining room. That's gonna be perfect for family dinners, family gatherings, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or just even nightly suppers. Coming into the kitchen, it has been completely redone. Brand new countertops, brand new cabinets, high-end stainless steel appliances that are brand new. You've got this beautiful high-end Blanco sink that has been put in. Everything has been done with quality and with care. Then you've got this beautiful window looking out onto your massive backyard. Love it. Upstairs, we are standing in one of the 3 large bedrooms up here. Also, if you look at the bathroom, it has been completely redone. Very beautiful, very tasteful. I love these windows. Huge, beautiful, bright, all brand new luxe windows. This is a fantastic lower level, and there's a few standout points I want to quickly hit on. Number 1 are these beautiful, very large, bright windows down in the basement. They're brand new windows, of course, and they give a great feel to this lower level where you don't even feel like you're in a basement. You actually feel like you're upstairs because of how large and bright they are. Number 2 is this fireplace to go along with this very large rec room area. Fantastic for a pool table and some chairs with the TV. You have got ample room to do whatever you want. We also have a 4th bedroom down here, as well as a fully renovated bathroom, your laundry space, and then a huge additional storage space. Trust me when I tell you that as soon as you drive up to the front of this property, you will see the pride of ownership that has been placed into this property. It has been beautifully maintained, and again, you're getting all the amazing renovations that have been super well done. We all know that there are renovations that are poorly done or okay or fantastic, and these are fantastic renovations performed very well. Between the flooring, paint, baseboards, all brand new bathrooms, all brand new windows. This is truly an incredible deal, an incredible offer, and it won't last. So feel free to reach out to us. If you have any questions, would like to set up a showing, please engage with us. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'd love to hear more from you. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one. As always, Tova, say it with me, keep it real.